A. What you're telling to Salesforce by giving this line? Only first line, integer number A.
Variable
Okay, in that what is variable?
number
Okay,
number A.
number A is a variable. Very good. So what is integer?
Integer. It is a data type.
Yes, exactly. That's what I was expecting. Okay. So here you are giving data type and variable you are giving. Okay. Why are you giving like that first? You are missing first day
We
class
have
again.
to
Okay.
give the differentiate integers for the numbers.
Are you seeing my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Variable declaration.
So first thing we should do variable declaration.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So here the subtraction of two numbers has to come 40. So now as usual we need to take two numbers. So now tell me variable declaration to satisfy this value. So two
Okay.
numbers subtraction has to come 40 means we can take
80
80,
minus
80 and 40 or 120 or 80 or 60, 20 we can take it. Okay, now give me variable declaration.
variable declaration.
Or else I'll send this one and show it to me. How will you do this? I'm sorry to say saying this. This is the first step of coding. So here you should have hands-on experience. Then only you will be understand future topics. So that is the reason I'm asking you to do this because it's simple if you understand the logic.
Subtraction equal to 40.
Okay, I'll show you this line once again. See here. First,
Mm-hmm.
they give four lines of variable declaration. Same thing you can apply here. Now tell me. Integer.
Okay, integer number here,
If you
integer number.
give same kind of coding also, no issues. Okay, I'm just copying here and pasting. So now tell me. Integer number A, integer number B. Okay. Behalf of you, I have done two lines of coding. So after that, they're asking subtraction and division. So instead of multiplication and sum, can we go with subtraction
Division.
and division?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Okay. So variable declaration we have done. Now what is the next step?
Text.
What is the text?
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, why we need to have thank you here?
Oh, okay.
Here we have done only variable declaration.
Okay.
Where can we get variable initialization? See here.
Yeah, number. Okay.
Values we need to give, right? See, for example, see if this is the ID, once you are giving variable declaration, entire box will be created. Did you remember this?
Yes, sir. We are giving the numbers and it
Yes.
comes.
So now, first thing you give integer number A. So when you give integer number A, this box will create it. So what is the data type here? Integer. Data type integer and variable number A. Same thing. Same thing here also will be happen. Number B. Okay. So same subtraction, division. Okay. So now we need to have values, then only we can satisfy this line. When you don't have two numbers, then how can we get this result? Got it? So something we should have numbers in these boxes.
Mm-hmm.
So what we can call for that? We can call variable initialization for that.
Okay.
So now tell me what is the variable initialization? What kind of numbers we can take it?
You can take it. Maybe now
See
equal
here.
to
Number A, number B. What numbers we can take it?
we can take it 40 subtraction, right? 40 minus 60 minus 40.
Okay.
No, 60 minus 20 equals to 40.
Okay, we'll take it 60 minus 20. Okay. 60. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between this page and this page?
Column.
Yes. Okay. Variable declaration we have done, variable initialization we have done. And next thing,
Subtraction, multiplication, division,
I'm sorry.
division,
Okay, division. No, what is the
number.
division actually? See, I asked you to give four parts. First thing,
Okay.
declaration you have done, initialization you have done. So next thing, what we have to do? We have,
Business logic,
yes, we have to write business logic. That's what I was expecting. Okay, business logic. Okay, so here, what is the business logic?
number A minus number B
Okay, number
equals
A minus number B, what is that?
60 minus 20, 40 equal to 40.
That's what I'm
Integer,
asking. What is that
integer,
actually? Okay, integer. What is this integer? See here, this coding again. I'm showing it to you. Are they mentioned any integer here? Integer is a data type actually. So all data type you gave already in declaration. So you need not to give again integer here.
okay.
So you should write business
Subtract-
logic.
Subtraction
Okay, subtraction.
equal to
Okay. What is the logic for subtraction?
A minus B,
Okay. Number
A
A
minus
minus
number B
number B. That's it.
equal to 20.
I'm not getting you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting you, Vijay. What you are trying to say? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now,
Yeah, yeah. Tell me. I'm waiting for you only.
mm, equal to
Okay.
60,
Equal to.
60
Okay.
colon
Okay.
mm, Element into 16, no, 40.
See
Tell
this
me.
code again. See this code and tell me the answer.
Okay. There is no need for writing the numbers, I think.
Yes, because you're already giving logic here. So you're just passing the declaration. You're just passing the value here. Once you write business logic, automatically
Okay.
this value will be fill up here. Once you write business logic, then it will come here.
So no need to write for the last thing. Yes.
Yes, this is for subtraction. Right? No, and one more.
Division
Yes.
equal to
Okay.
number A
Number A.
slash
Okay. Number.
B.
Okay. Till here you understood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you have taken two numbers and you have gave declaration for subtraction and you gave declaration for division and you're passing the values. So now can
Sir,
we?
how to print these things?
That's what I'm asking. My next question is that one only. So how can we
Uh,
print this?
uh, uh, debug? No, 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 no.
See here.
Mm,
I'm just copy
mm,
this. I'm just copying this and here.
File, debug, open, new, debug only.
I'm not getting it.
No, no, sir, I'm just talking.
Answer is in front
Simple.
of your system.
System.debug.
Okay. So system.debug next.
Brackets and within the brackets and a colon and thank you colon close.
Okay. So
System. So we can take. Thank you.
got it. So I'm just giving execute. I got only thank you.
We
But
didn't get the
but
further step.
what is my task is I need to get this result. Subtraction of two
Two numbers.
numbers is 40. The division of two numbers is 3.
Three.
So now tell me how can I do that? By using system.debug. Now you should tell me the answer.
System.debug. Subtraction.
Hmm.
Subtraction equal to 40 and
Can I
the
give
second line.
this?
Mhm.
Yeah, tell me what I can do it here.
Copy paste. Subtraction equal to the subtraction
Hmm.
equal to
Okay.
40.
Is that correct?
Can we do the subtraction in the quotes?
Okay.
Outside the
Now you are ending. Now you are at ending point. See, I haven't done anything here. Every line of coding, whatever you are saying, I have done it here. Without knowledge of coding, you have done this. So just think these two lines. Even this line also, you only said, I have done it. Just think for these two lines, and you'll be getting this answer. Just think. So while you are using system.debug, whatever you are giving within the brackets, that can be visible on the screen while you are giving for printing.
okay. Subtraction equal to 20 or 40. Can we check that will come or not?
Okay, why are you giving subtraction 20 or 40?
Because I think the answer is
See, as a human, you know the answer, but you are giving this information to the one machine. It doesn't know anything.
then
What it will do is it'll take just these values and it'll apply this business logic. Based on that, result will come. That's it. So now you need not to give answer directly. You should give like these formulas only.
A
Then
minus
only, yeah, yeah, you are telling something.
no, no, sir. We can say number A minus number B.
Okay, what is that A minus number A minus number B? Okay, I'll do one thing. So here I want to show the subtraction of, okay, I want to show subtraction of 60 and 40. Okay, I want to show like this now. Now tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to show like this. Earlier, I was asking only what is the subtraction of two numbers value is 40. But now you made me to give this line again. I forgot to give actually this content. You only make me to do this. Now tell me.
The subtraction of
Okay,
number
okay,
A.
one minute. I'll tell you a simple logic. You know that within the colon, whichever you are giving within the bracket, that will be printable, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So now this can be printable, right? Okay. So now just give space. Subtraction of 60 and 20. What is meant by 60 means here number A.
A, number A.
Okay. So just give number A and again give colon here.
And
Okay. And
number B,
okay.
colon, quotes. Yes.
Okay.
B,
Hmm.
is it okay, sir?
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, if it is subtraction and close,
Okay.
Subtraction.
Okay.
How
I'll give you one more way. So directly, I am telling this the subtraction of number
memory
A and number B is
is subtraction.
equal to subtraction. Okay. 80% of your work is done now, but there is a small mistake. What is that?
Mm, system dot debug and started. Colon.
Okay, so here within the colon, whichever you are giving, that will be printable, right? So if I give like this, okay, let me show this.
Will come number A and number B. It won't come for the 40 or 60 or anything like that.
No, we need not to give that numbers because we are just passing the values here, right? That is the reason we are telling variable declaration, variable initialization separate separately.
Okay.
So we can see either this will work or not now.
Execute. Subtraction of number A and equal to subtraction.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
What did you understand here in this line? That means
What, whatever
whatever
you
you are
have.
giving this colon, within the colon, whatever you are giving, that can be printable,
Yes.
right? But my
Yes.
intention is I want to see this kind of result.
Mm-hmm.
So now what we can do is remove this colon and just add here. Okay, Vijay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, can you tell me one more time?
okay. See, whatever it is there in the colon, that can be printable. Till here, you understood, right? See this.
Yes, start to end.
See this line.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you understand very clearly whatever it is there within the colon that can be showing on the screen. You
Yes.
understood this logic, right? So
Yes.
now I am removing this colon here and I'm keeping here. That means this can be printable, right?
Ah, okay.
Got it?
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
for number A, what is the value?
Mhm.
60. You need not to give the value here.
Okay.
Okay, you need to give the value here because you're already giving here. And next, what it has to come on the screen and has to come, right?
Okay.
So give colon for and. Okay. And now say number B, you need not to give value because you're already passing value here.
Mhm. For
So
subtraction.
yes, next line you should start colon from here to here.
So how can we know that
Yes, yes.
this?
One minute. See here, system.debug. It is not using his brain. Okay, it
Mm-hmm.
is just passing the value, whichever it is there within the colon.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have few parts of the colon within the bracket, right? This is
Okay.
one part, this is one part, this is one part, and we have
Okay.
without colon. Without colon, why we are using that part means we are already passing the values. So
Mm-hmm.
now all these parts by using one operator we can print. That operator is plus symbol.
Okay.
Just add plus here and here also just add plus. So here number A we are not giving value. So this value will be displayed here and same for number B this value will be displayed here and subtraction. while they're pulling out the value for subtraction. Subtraction, what is showing? It is showing number A and minus number B.
Mm-hmm.
That value can be displayed here.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yes.
now we can see this can be printable or not.
Mm-hmm. Debug. It's
Okay.
colon. Colon is missing. The second line
Yes.
after that.
No, in 19th it is missing.
19th. Okay. We have 19th.
One colon we are missing somewhere. 1 minute. And number A.
After number B, we have to keep the plus symbol.
Yes. Now you got it. And now what I have to do?
Mhm.
Yes, tell me. You have used that anonymous window. Now click on debug. Once you click on debug, then only you will be getting the answer. See here.
Okay. Sir, can you maximize screen?
Oh,
I
sorry,
can.
sorry, sorry.
Debug only. The subtraction of
60 and 20 is 40.
40. And last one is
And here you haven't give any value. You haven't give any values. It is taken from here. So same way, I need for division.
division.
Now tell me.
Debug. The system.debug
Okay,
and the division of
okay,
colon
okay,
number plus plus number. Hmm. So did you put the plus
okay,
number A plus colon quotes and number B plus quote is equal to quotes plus division bracket close colon.
okay. So now I'm just copying this and pasting here.
Debug.
Sorry.
Execute.
And
Debug
just click
only.
on debug.
Only. Division of 60 and 20 equal to 3.
Got it?
I think so, sir.
See,
I'm not
for to getting these three lines, how many lines of coding you have, right?
6, oh, maybe 10,
Here four, here
oh,
two,
5 left.
six,
Oh, not a
8,
variable.
and
8.
11. So
Yes.
till last week you said you have zero knowledge, but now
Yes.
you have tried this 11 lines of coding. So these are coding will work.
Okay. But last line is okay, but
That's the reason.
the
That is the reason. Today I'm just spending only for practicing, because if you know this logic, our next class will be easy to understand for you. The very next class will be not understandable if you don't know this logic.
yes,
So
yes,
that is the reason I'm
yes.
saying. See, I have one doubt here. So to
Mm-hmm.
satisfy to getting this result, how many lines of
Mm-hmm.
coding we have tried?
11.
11 lines. In that 11 lines, where you got stuck actually? Only these two lines.
The last two lines.
Only
Yeah,
these two
yeah.
lines. So though you have write eight numbers, eight lines without having any interruption, but here
Mm-hmm.
you got stuck,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Logic.
Yes. Even after completion of this also, I missed this one.
Oh,
You only
yeah.
remembered this, and you only found this, and you only made this. That's it. This is our coding. If you missing small line of if you missing small comma instead of colon, that can be throwing error.
Okay. We have to
So
be very careful.
yes, so please do the practice it. I'll do one thing. Okay, now tell me, can I send this entire code or only this task can I share to you? I'll do one
No,
thing.
no, no. Entire code.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just share this video and
Okay.
I'll share this task to you. Please try to do it for your own. Whenever you got stucking, then we can go through with this video, then you can understand. If I
No, sir.
simply share this
You.
coding. Yeah, tell me.
Otherwise, I'll copy. I know that.
Okay, if okay, better I can share the only task and video. If you have in doubt, you can call me, no issues, because this is the starting step. So that is the reason I'm saying. Okay, now coming to the point. So here, how many lines of coding we have? Right, 11. So in that, do we have any line which is not important?
The variable declaration, the variable installation, whatever we keeping in the slashes, double slash, that.
Okay, so a comment section we can remove. Okay, apart from comment section, do we have any line without using? I mean, without using that line of coding, we are getting result? No, right?
Mhm. We have, we can
But
give a number A equal to number 60, number B equal to number 20, colon. We can give like that.
that we can give, I'm saying just for this in this part, you can give that kind of codings when we have a few more steps. So that is
Yeah.
not required here till this coding.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm saying is, so here sometimes what will be happen in real time scenarios, you may give 20 lines of coding,
Okay.
but in that, according to the scenario, according to the criteria, out of 20 lines of coding, they will be having only one line of coding to satisfy the criteria.
Oh,
So that means, do we need to have 100 lines of coding or 20 lines of coding? Okay, let me come into the point. We'll take one scenario like name and age. Okay, let me take one election campaign. Okay, so in
Mm-hmm.
that we'll be having different people with different ages, right? And if I want to know who will be the right person to getting the vote, what is the eligible criteria for that? To casting the vote, what is the eligibility first thing? I think you are not getting my point. Okay, so here you know the answer for this, right?
Yes, sir.
That for that we gave the values,
Mm-hmm.
we gave the variable declaration, we gave the variable installation, and logic we gave, everything we have done it. But here in our scenario, simply I'm asking that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I have entered in front end. Now I have to get the result like.
You lost. Got it.
Okay, so here I passed two lines of coding and I got the result. But here I passed in front end only one line, and I should get either this line or this line.
Mm-hmm.
So to get a result on the screen, can I write only one line of coding for this, either this one or this one? No, both the
No.
things should be
Now.
there in the coding. Right, in coding part both the things should be there, and we are not sure which kind of, I mean, which is kind of people will come to the come to casting the vote, right?
Mm-hmm.
We should analyze there then and there itself. So once we enter the age, then only it will be first this value will goes to here, and if it is not satisfied then it will goes to this line. But here this is not the case. Here we are not using any condition blindly, we are just following the formulas.
Okay.
But here we need to use some logics. So if we when we have zero knowledge in level 1, we know how to write the single line of coding,
Mm-hmm.
and level 2 how to print the data, in level 3 how to meeting the criteria of scenario. Okay, now we are entering into level 3. Okay,
Okay.
so till here you understood, right? Everything.
Yes, sir.
So can I move forward?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. And we missed one line here. What is that? In this, we missed one line. In better practice, we missed one thing. What is that? While using variable, we can use where number here.
Whenever.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we are entering next level. That in this line we can I'm sorry, controlling of the flow program. Controlling of the flow program in the sense here we have three lines actually, right? We have three lines, but whenever you are using this line, only one condition will be satisfied. That means it is controlling either which line has to print on the screen. Now we can see how it will works.
Yes.
So this is a
Yes.
syntax for that. We can call this if condition. So to satisfy this line, we can go this kind of coding. Syntax for if else condition. First, write if and in the bracket we can write the condition. Then what is the criteria here?
Yes.
Okay, age 15, okay. But what is the criteria? See here, congrats, you can vote, they're saying. So what is the criteria for vote?
Age limit
Yes, age limit. What is the age limit?
15 equal to 15.
Oh, no, no. In general scenario, 18 years is for criteria for casting vote, right?
Yeah.
So now we can give if else condition
Condition.
here. So you can start with if and in the bracket you can give the condition and
Yeah.
give the open bracket, open flower bracket, and next you can start giving the coding here. So
Okay.
here condition we can give what is the condition if it is greater than 18 years
So,
then
clear.
it has to cover.
Come. That's you can vote.
Okay, if
L.
else in the sense if it is not satisfied this then it has to satisfy this,
Yes.
else
Less than.
it has
You're not L.
you are not eligible. That's what we can show it. Now you understood the logic, right?
Yes, sir.
So okay, based on this we can write one coding part here. So they are saying age number is 15, right? Okay. So in case if I want to give variable declaration or variable installation, what I have to do?
Where? Where? Declaration.
Okay. For this line, if I want to give variable declaration, what I have to do? You are forgetting Vijayalakshmi. See, age is equal to
Mm.
15.
Yeah.
This is variable value. But I just want to ask you to give variable declaration for this line. So which kind of data type it is? Integer.
Text.
Integer. Okay.
Integer
Integer and where age.
equal to 50.
Okay, I just ask a variable declaration. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
And what is the variable initialization?
A equal to
That's it.
where is okay. Business logic.
Yes. Now, what is the business logic? See here, you gave this one as business logic, right?
Mm-hmm.
But coming to this scenario, what is the business logic?
If else.
Yes, if else. So now, coming to the business logic, if else condition I'm giving.
If
Okay, if
age variable
Yes, where age
equal to more than. Oh, they declared as a 15. We can vote, right?
18.
Okay, greater than or equal to 18.
And here start with a flower bracket, and this is how we can start coding with flower bracket. Okay.
Okay,
And next,
congratulations. You can vote.
yes, and for your information, I'm just giving in comments
Mhm.
code to run the evaluation criteria, or else you can give
Code two. What is that, sir?
code to run the
Mhm.
scenario, or for OT. This is
Okay.
only for your information.
Yes, yes.
This is only for your information I'm giving here. And what is the system not debug here?
System dot debug. It's congratulations. You can vote.
Okay, system not debug.
Right. Bracket start colon. Congratulations. Colon
Yes, colon.
L.
Here, you should not go for else directly. You should close the bracket.
Yeah. And space.
And for your information here, I can tell you, okay, once it is done, I will tell you. Okay. So
No
if
space
it is
also.
not, I'm sorry?
There is no space. If the space also there, it will come error.
No, no, it's not like that. It's not like that. If it is space also, no issues.
Okay.
Okay. So if we give and coming to else condition,
And
again
where,
flower bracket,
where, age.
same code to run the scenario for OT.
Mm-hmm.
This is only for your information. I'm keeping this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In real time scenarios, you need not to follow this.
Mm-hmm.
And system not debug, we can go with this line.
There is
Done.
no need to give the condition, sir.
Here we gave condition, right?
Okay,
If it is
if
greater
yeah,
than 18 years, it has to come.
yeah. Otherwise,
If
yeah,
not, it
or
will come.
yeah. Okay, okay.
That's it, right?
Yes,
Only
sir.
two things will be there: eligible criteria.
Okay.
In case if we have more eligibility criteria, like what we can do, coming to the mark
There are,
list, coming to the mark list, if it is 60% grade A, if it is 75 plus grade B, sorry, 75% distinction, and if it is 90%, we can give excellent performance. Like that,
okay,
we'll be having separate criteria. That time we'll be having if else condition again, few more options. We'll do it
okay,
in coming sessions.
okay.
Okay, so till here you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if you use this code, this line of code, first thing what will be happen, you are telling to Salesforce that you are giving integer variable for this line or for this age. And
Mm-hmm.
for business logic, what it's saying, if it is 18 years, once you enter this number in front line, first
Mm-hmm.
that code will goes to this condition.
Okay.
If this line is satisfied with this condition, then it shows this line on the screen. In case if it is not satisfied this line,
No, no.
very next minute it will goes to else condition. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here for your understanding, I can give this line. After this, it won't come back again. In case if it is satisfied here itself means It'll
It
not
will.
goes to else. It'll stop here itself.
Yes.
Got it? You understood this
Yes, sir.
logic, right?
Yeah, guys, it's more than 18 years, it will stop the code over there.
Okay.
If he is in less than 15 years, then it will go for the else
Okay.
condition.
So here we are using if else condition in business logic.
Okay.
But coming to our earlier scenario, we only read the business logic, so that is the reason we took this much of time. Got it?
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
now we can see either this will work or not. I'm just copying this and now tell me where I have to go.
Debug,
Debug,
open, exit,
open execute anonymous window, and this window we can call as executive anonymous window. Directly we
okay.
can call as anonymous window. I'm just pasting it. And here now you understood the logics, right? So I'm removing the colons.
If it's there also, nothing will happen,
No
right?
issues, no issues. That is only for your understanding I gave.
Okay, these comments can we can use for the for further testing or
We
anything
can
like
use it
that,
for
right?
any purpose.
Okay.
But
If
whichever
any,
you are using with this one, okay. I removed here, right? I'm not removing these colons. You can see now result. Okay.
okay, good.
So where so wantedly I'm executing this. I think it won't work now.
Colon
What? No.
after O,
Here, where is
semicolon,
where is like this is not
whereas
case sensitive, but it will work, I believe. See, earlier I gave like this.
sir, after debug, congrats, you can vote. After that, we close the bracket, and after that, we didn't put the colon, semicolon.
Where it is? I'm not getting
The
you.
system 11.7
Line number 7.
and,
System dot
and
debug.
and the end. If you close the bracket, after that,
Yes.
we have the key.
Yes, we
We
have to
have to.
write. Okay. Next.
And nice. Okay, we did here and we did cover bracket. We close here and there. Okay.
Okay. So I'm just executing now.
Exit.
Yes. What is the next step?
Debug only.
Yes.
So you cannot work because
But
he's
we gave
yes.
two conditions over there. But result we are getting only one thing. That's what we can call controlling of the coding,
Okay.
controlling of the
Okay.
flow.
Okay.
Okay. So here we gave yes 15, right? So that is the reason first line it was not satisfying it. So now can you give me any some other age? Here it is
Mm,
15.
23.
Okay. Make it 25.
Before. It's easy. Debug only. Yay, congrats, you can vote.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now can you do it for these two lines now? I'm removing this code. Now can you tell me once again how to write this code,
So,
including business logic?
how can we pass the values for the runtime?
That is what we gave here, right?
Where age equal to 15 or
Yes,
something?
declaration. Yes, declaration we gave here, and installation also we gave. I'm not getting you. What you are trying to say?
When we are executing the that one, it has to ask for the age. Oh, okay, we declare his
We
age
declared
equal
age
to 8.
here. That is the reason I was divided like into two parts. One is the declaration, one is the installation. Now you got it right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now for
Mhm.
tomorrow we can do it. If a student got greater than or equal to 40, then we should get this line.
Congratulations, you are passed. You passed. You passed the test.
Okay. Else,
Else, sorry, you failed the exam. You got failed the
okay.
exam.
So can you do this tomorrow?
Sure, sir.
Else, can we do it now itself?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah,
I'll do
okay.
it now.
Okay, now tell me, what is the variable declaration?
Where?
Variable declaration I'm asking.
Variable definition. Integer.
Yes, I gave.
Integer where age.
Okay.
Not age. Marks, right? Student marks.
Wait, wait, wait.
Initialization.
This will be best practice. Every time you can divide into two parts. Don't give rightly integer where is equal to something.
Okay.
Okay. So where age, uh, not where age, marks.
Student where marks.
We are
Where
yes marks
where marks equal to
75 I'm
40.
giving
Okay. Okay.
currently.
Mm-hmm.
Next
Business logic. Business logic.
colon.
Current. Sorry.
Okay. Business logic. Okay. I'm just copy this and pasting it here.
Where marks
Okay. Where marks
greater than or equal to 40.
40. Okay. And then it has to come.
Okay.
Else,
Else.
sorry, you got failed.
Mhm.
Okay. So can we see it in anonymous window?
Yes, sir. Debug, open execution, copy
Okay. Once again, I'm
paste,
saying variable declaration
where
integer
mark,
where marks 75 I gave 40. Have we missed any colons here? No. Okay. Now I'm executing debug. Yes.
everything you pass the exam.
So first line it got satisfied. So if it is 25, yes.
So in the real time, we use this one, this type only, right? Not that one plus and colon.
Wait,
Not
this now you are into fundamentals, madam. So fundamentals we can use only this kind of coding. So going forward, you'll be having a lot of coding lines.
that thing is little bit difficult. This thing is little bit easy. Maybe
No, no.
in
This
future.
even if you don't know, if you are not practicing it, this one also very tough for you. Now you understood. See, 1 minute. To complete these 3 lines, we took more than half an hour,
Yes,
right?
sir.
But to
Yes.
complete these 6 lines, see
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm.
To complete these 6 lines, how much time we have took?
Maybe fine.
Yes, but while you have taken half an hour for these 3 lines, you took only 5 minutes for these 6 lines. That means if you know the logic, then you can do it very easily.
If we don't know the logic, we have to go for that way.
No, no, not like I'm not saying like that. See, for every scenario, we'll be having different lines of different kind of logics. Based on the scenario, we'll go for logics. So
Sure.
here we took only 2 examples. So going forward, we'll be having many examples and many kind of logics.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why
Okay.
I'm saying why I'm asking you to do practice here. So next session that will be very tough to understand. If you don't know this kind of coding knowledge, then that can be very tough to understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll do a thing. I'll share this video and this entire text to you,
Notes.
and just practice it once. And tomorrow
Sure.
we'll be having few more examples on if else condition. See here,
Sure.
we have done it only 2 lines of coding. I mean, else condition only, either it is
For
passed or not. So in case here in marks, if we have 60, one line
first.
has to come, either it's a first division or second division. And if it is 75 to 90, then it is a distinction. And if it is more than 90, then we'll go with excellent performance, like that. So we need
Yes.
to
Yes.
differentiate
Okay.
that. We can do it tomorrow. So till here you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in case if I want to divide it into 4 parts for result, again here we need to have more if else conditions here. We can see how it works.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Any doubts as of now?
No, sir.
Okay. My request is please go through with this video at least once
Sure.
or twice. Then try to do the practicing it. Then only it will be easy for you to understand next sessions.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So can we wind up for the class for the day?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Vijaya. Bye.
Thank you.